So hello there, the name is Prince Chumani Medu, and I warmly welcome you back to PTA Studios. So in today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to preview Photoshop PSD files without opening them. Yes, how to preview Photoshop PSD files without opening them. So we all know how stressful it is to open and check every PSD file when you haven't named them properly. Yes, so at the end of the day, I just want to show you how I got this. So if I need to open this PSD file, I don't have to click on it for it to load in Photoshop before I know what is inside, but I can just preview it like this and then I'll be good to go. So the very first thing we like to do here is to make sure I've been connected to the internet, and then we are going to open our web browser. So in this case, I'm using Chrome. If you are using Microsoft Edge, it is fine. If you are using Opera or any other browser, it is fine. And then the next thing we like to do is to search for PSD codec. Yeah, so I think I have it already, PSD codec. And then when you search for it, you choose this particular one, the first one. So after it's finished loading, you choose this green download box here. You just click on it and then you download it. I've actually downloaded it already, so this is how the file looks like. So you just have to click on it and then just select yes. It's just the normal installation process that we go through. So I'm just going to choose next, and then we're going to accept to the agreement, and then we're going to click on next. So now immediately you click on next, it's going to install for you. So let's just install it. I've installed it already, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just reinstall it again. So it's just going to install, and then it's going to tell you or give you some details, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to restart your PC now or you want to restart your PC later? So if you're working on any projects that you haven't saved, whether in Photoshop or any other software that you're using and that you haven't saved, just make sure you select no, I want to restart the computer later, and then you click on finish. Then you make sure you save all those works before you restart it, or you just select yes. If you don't have any work to lose, you just select yes, restart the computer now, and then you click on finish. So immediately you click on finish, it's going to reboot your PC for you, and then you'll be good to go. So in this case, I'm just going to choose no, I don't want to restart it. So yeah, just after the um, restarting, your PSD file should just look this way for you. So just let me know if this was helpful in the comment section. Once again, the name is Prince Chumani Medu, and thank you for having me. I'm out.